Professions. Doctor, a person who takes care of the patients. Engineer, a person who builds roads and buildings. Teacher, a person who teaches students. Traffic warden, a person who regulates traffic. Lawyer, a person who provides justice to people. Businessman, a person who trades goods. Carpenter, a person who makes furniture. Artist, a person who inspires others with his art. Singer, a person who sings a song to entertain people. Chef, a person who cooks food for people.